Hi, this is Chris from Total Parts Plus, and today we have a 2004 Mazda 6 Classic Hatch, stock reference number 5751. The shape runs from the 5th month 2003 through to the 7th month 2005. It has an L3 2.3 litre 4-cylinder petrol engine backed by an automatic front-wheel drive transmission. L3 2.3 litre 4-cylinder petrol engine. We have the right-hand headlight, left-hand headlight, left guard has no damage, left power door mirror, left front 17-inch factory alloy mag with the average tyre, left front door has 1 small dent, left rear door has 3 small dents, left rear 17-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. We have the left-hand tail light, right rear 17-inch factory alloy mag with an average tyre, right front door has 1 small dent, right power door mirror, right guard has no damage, and a right front 17-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. With the driver's side door trim, power window master switch. This vehicle is fitted with grey cloth interior, automatic type console, automatic gear shifter, heater controls, 6-stack CD player, display cluster, top glove box, interior mirror, courtesy lamp, left sun visor, right sun visor, and the instrument cluster.